book.
A book.
A book.
A blue book.
A blue book.
This is a blue book.
This is a blue book.
Lion.
Lion.
A lion.
A lion.
A yellow lion.
A yellow lion.
This is a yellow lion.
This is a yellow lion.
Fish.
Fish.
A fish.
A fish.
A happy fish.
A happy fish.
This is a happy fish.
This is a happy fish.
Hat.
Hat.
A hat.
A hat.
An orange hat.
An orange hat.
This is an orange hat.
This is an orange hat.
Car.
Car.
A car.
A car.
A green car.
A green car.
This is a green car.
This is a green car.
Wow. Amazing Brainy Kids. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for more amazing lessons.